209 Main Street, Unit 6, the report of the stolen bike. They do have a suspect, Jason Dilray.
Hey. Hello? I got Jason Del Rey riding the wrong way down 132. Just FYI, because I think he stole a bike right now or something.
Room 301 on the third floor.
Hey, yeah, he was driving the wrong way around the rotary, and he's approaching Save on Gas right now.
Just be advised that subject is now on 132 by the airport rotary on that stolen bike. I'm going to try and get somebody head that way. 232.
I'll stay on the line. Black hat. He has a shopping bag that's like got, looks like the British flag on it. He's right in front of Save On right now, riding down the middle of
check that area
132.
for Dilray. He's riding down the middle of 132 on a stolen bike, black hat, with a shopping bag. Looks to be a British flag on it.
I'll go behind him.
Heading towards the highway or heading towards Jarvis?
Heading towards the highway.
Heading towards the mall right now. He's in front of the Save On Gas.
I'm going to stay behind with my camera on here, okay?
226 at 209 Main Street. Is there a problem number? Number 6. It's going to be Jennifer.
Yeah, he's right down the middle line here. You'll see my flashing hazards.
Say the cost of the bike or no? No.
Yeah, it's a British flag. Right down the center line. I almost
Can you
hit
run
him.
Dilray and see if he has any prior Latches bicycles on his record?
We're right in front of Sleepy's in front of the Volkswagen place, approaching Tiki Port.
232 now in front of Sleepy's, still headed towards the mall.
He's going over to the left side of the road. Looks like he's by the courtyard.
The subject's now headed in towards the courtyard by the Sears Auto area. Richard, I'm on Papa Wendy.
Yeah, I'm gonna have to. Yep, I am. I'm gonna have to pull off here too. I'm gonna stay with him for a second here though, just so he doesn't get hit. Yep. I'm going right in here with him. He's pulling into the mall parking lot.
Off the quarters.
He's I think he realizes he's being followed. He's in front of heading towards Five Guys.
Headed towards Five Guys by Sears. RP said she was just in there, and male employee
Yeah, he's right in front of Five Guys now. Yeah, so I just wanted to make sure he didn't get smoked.
He's right in front of Five Guys now.
There you go.
Location, or have they already left? Negative, she has left.
She has the ground. Oh, hold on a second.
Arrival.
Katie's got him.
Units responding, 222's off of him, has him detained right now. Go ahead, 210. You're talking to the victim with the owner of the bike. Do you have anything else about from the person or license or building for that?
Why are they saying that?
I didn't share that I told you, but I just used it.
374, what's the description of the bike?
It's a green female mongoose bicycle. Took hands off of the mall. The complainant stated he's been trespassed from there. I don't know if you have that here or not.
Hey, it's Rob Bastille again. Sorry I hung up on you guys. I just want to make sure Katie was all right. Yeah, so I've got dash cam photo video of him driving down the middle of 132 if you guys need it. Okay, I'll save it for you guys. Okay. When I came around the rotary, you'll see in the footage. I mean, you couldn't even see him. I could have smoked him. Somebody could have smoked him easily. Something's wrong with that boy. Anyways, all right, just FYI. Thanks. Yeah, bye.